Namaste. Om Ramam. My identity here. In the previous class, we have discussed about the trigonometric ratios and the values for geodegree angle. Okay? Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios for angle 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay? For that, what you have to do, you have to take one equator triangle. Okay? You have to take what? You have to take one equator triangle. Okay? Okay, to find the values of the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 and 60, let us take one equator triangle ABC. Okay, let us take one equator triangle A, B, C. So, A, B, C. Okay? Now, ABC is an equator triangle. So what? In equator triangle, all sides are equal. No? So, AB equal to BC equal to CA. Okay? CA. Okay? Now, and angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Angle C equal to 60 degrees. Okay? And in the equator triangle, we are having all angles are equal. So, 60, 60, 60. 60 by 60, 120, 120 by 60, 180. So, our condition is satisfied. Okay? So, AB equal to BC equal to CA now. Now, I am taking that at angle at AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to A units. A units. Okay? Now, so because the length of these heads are not known, okay? So, in order to find the length of the head, let us assume that AB equal to BC equal to CA. Because in equator triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So, AB equal to BC equal to CA equal to A units. Okay? Now, draw a median. Okay, draw a median. Okay, draw a median AD. Okay, now the median AD divides the angle A into 2 equal parts. Okay, now angle C, angle B, angle A, both the angles are equal to 60 degrees. Okay, now draw a median AD. So what the AD line segment which is acting as a median divides the angle into 2 equal parts. Okay, so from the figure, okay, from the figure, 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 angle DAC equal to angle BAD. Okay, angle DAB. Okay, angle DAB. angle DAB. Okay, So this both angles are equal. Angle DAC equal to angle DAB. Okay? And 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 angle DAB and angle DAB plus angle DAB plus angle DAB plus angle DAC equal to angle A. Angle DAC equal to angle A. Okay, so now see here angle DAB equal to angle DAC. So from this equation we have to the angle DAC as angle DAB. So angle DAB plus angle DAB plus angle DAB plus angle DAB equal to angle A. Angle DAB equal to angle A. Okay? Angle A. Okay, now 2 into angle DAB plus angle DAB equal to 2 into angle DAB. Okay? Angle DAB equal to angle A equal to what? 60 degrees. Okay? Up to it. Angle A equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Now angle DAB equal to fifty degrees by 2. 60 degrees by 2. So 2 under 230. Okay, so angle DAB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, angle DAB equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so angle DAC also 30 degrees. Okay, so angle DAC is also 30 degrees. Angle DAC is also 30 degrees. Okay? Now completed. Angle bisection completed. Now side. Since in the segment A is the median of triangle ABC, the point D is the midpoint of the line segment BC. Okay? So the point D is the midpoint of the line segment BC. So D is the midpoint. Okay? D is midpoint of D is midpoint of BC. Okay? Midpoint of BC. Okay? So midpoint of BC. Okay? Now see here and D is midpoint of BC. So CD equal to DB. Okay? C is equal to DB. By the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment into two equal parts. Okay? So since D is the midpoint, CD equal to DB. Okay? CD equal to DB. CD equal to DB. Okay, now from the figure, now from the figure, from the figure, from the figure we get on the figure CG plus dV equal to CG plus dV equal to what? BC. Okay? CG plus dV equal to BC. Okay? CG plus dV. Okay? CG plus dV equal to BC. Okay? Now BC equal to what? A. Okay? Now CG plus dV equal to CG plus dV equal to A. Okay? Now in the place of theta I can substitute dV because CG equal to dV now. So in the place of theta I can substitute the value of dV. So we get dV plus dV equal to dV plus dV equal to A. So dV plus dV equal to what? 2 dV. Okay? Good. dV plus dV equal to A. Okay? dV equal to A by 2. Okay? dV equal to A by 2. dV equal to A by 2. Okay? A by 2 units. Okay? dV equal to what? A by 2 units. Okay? Okay, A by 2 units. Okay, A by 2 units. Okay, now, so dV equal to A by 2 units now. So automatically C equal to A by 2 units. Okay, C equal to A by 2 units. Okay, A by 2. A by 2 units. Okay, A by 2 units. Okay, so we got what? dV and the CD. Okay, now right here, AV equal to A units. Okay, BC equal to AC equal to A units. Okay, CD equal to A by 2 units. Okay, and dV equal to A by 2 units. Okay, now see here in triangle ABC, AD median divides the right angle, divides the triangle in ABC into two right angles. Okay, two right angle triangles. Okay, they are triangle ACD and triangle ABD. Okay, in this any one triangle we can take. Okay, now look at the board. Look at the board. Now in triangle ADB, DB value known. Okay, DB value we obtained. Okay, AB value already given because AB is a equator triangle. Okay, now we have to find the AD value. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so for that, applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle ADB. Applying Pythagoras theorem to Pythagoras theorem Applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem to triangle ADB. Okay? Pythagoras theorem to triangle ADB. Theorem to applying Pythagoras theorem to triangle ADB. To triangle ABD. ABD. Okay? Now, what you can get? AD square plus DV square equal to AD square plus DV square equal to equal to AB square. Okay? AB square. Okay? Now, AD square you have to find. So, AD square equal to AD square plus DV. DV equal to what? Because A by 2 no. 2 DV equal to 2 into DV equal to A. So, DV equal to A by 2 each. Okay? So, that value we have to substitute. Okay? So, AD square plus A by 2 whole square. Okay? A by 2 whole square equal to AB square. AB equal to what? A. So, equal to A square. Okay? A square. Now, AD square plus AD square plus A by 2 whole square is in the form of A by B whole square. So, A square by B square. A square by 2 square. Okay? Plus equal to A square. Okay? Now, AD square equal to AD square plus A square by 4. 2 square equal to what? 4. 2 to the 4. A square by 4 equal to A square. Okay? Now what you have to do? You have to turn A square by 4 to other side. So it can become negative. Minus A by A square by 4 it can become. Okay? Let us see. Okay? So, okay, now look at the ball. AD square equal to A square minus A square by 4. A square by 4. Okay? Now, A square by 4. Now, take ATM. Okay? 1 whole. Okay? So, 1 for the whole. AD square equal to 4. Okay? ATM is 4. So, we can do cross multiplication. 4A square minus 4A square minus A square. Okay? 4 into A square, A square. 1 into A square, A square. 4A square minus A square by 4. Now what you can get? AD square equal to 3A square by 4. Okay? 3A square by 4. Okay? Now, AD equal to what? AD equal to what? AD equal to under root of root 3 a square by root 3 a square by 4. Okay? Now, next what we can get is your divisor root to have both numerator and denominator. Okay? Both numerator and denominator you have to divide. So what you can get? So what you can get? Write down. Okay? AD equal to under root of 3a square by under root of 4. Okay? Now root of a by b equal to root a by root b. Okay? Again, in the numerator, 2 terms are there. So divided root to 2 terms. By using the formula, root of a into b equal to root a into root b. Okay? So AD equal to root 3 into root a square by root 4 equal to what? 2. Again, root 4 equal to what? 2. Root 4 equal to what? 2. So, now here square and root get cancelled. So, AD equal to so what you can get AD equal to root 3 by 2a. Root 3 by 2a. AD equal to root 3 by 2 a. Root 3 by 2 a unit. Okay? Root 3 by 2 a unit. Okay? Now here we got all the values of all the sides and all the angles. Okay, in the angle ABC. Now what you have to do, you have to apply the trigonometric ratios for 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay? Now for angle, DBA equal to 60 degrees. For angle DBA equal to 60 degrees. Okay? Why angle B equal to 60 degrees? Already we know. Okay? So angle DBA equal to 60 degrees. Opposite side equal to what? BD. AD. Okay? AD. Opposite side AD equal to root 3 by 2 a unit. Okay? Root 3 by 2 a unit. Okay? Okay, now here we are talking about angle DBA, which is present in the angle DBA. Okay, so in triangle DBA, for angle DBA equal to 60 degrees, opposite side equal to AD equal to 3 by 2 A units. Okay? Adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to dB. Okay, adjacent side equal to dB. Okay, equal to A by 2 units. Okay, A by 2 units. Okay, A by 2 units. Okay, now hypotenuse equal to AB. Okay, hypotenuse equal to AB. Hypotenuse equal to AB equal to A unit. Okay, A unit. Okay, now we have to find the all angles or trigonometric for angle 50 degrees. Okay, now let's just find out. Okay. Okay, by using this opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse for angle DBA equal to 50 degrees, you have to find the orthogonality value. Okay, now for angle DBA equal to 50 degrees, for angle DBA equal to 50 degrees, angle DBA equal to 60 degrees, 50 degrees, and down sin 60. Okay, sin 60 degrees equal to sin 60 degrees equal to what? Sin 50 degrees. Sin 50 equal to what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, equal to opposite side. What is opposite side? AD. AD by AD. AD by AB. Okay, AD by AB. Okay, AD by AB. Okay, now sin 50 equal to write down root of root 3 by 2 into A. Root 3 by 2 into A by A. Okay, so then this can be answer root 3 by 2 A into 1 by A. Okay, root 3 by 2 into A into 1 by A. Okay, so A is cancel. Sin 50 equal to sin 60 degrees equal to sin 50 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay, now cos 60. Okay, cos 60 degrees equal to what? Cos theta. Cos 60 degrees equal to cos 50 degrees equal to adjacent side by adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay? Equal to what? Adjacent side equal to what? dB. dB by AB. Okay? dB by AB. Okay? Now, cos 60 degree is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to dV equal to what? dV equal to A by 2. Okay? A by 2 into A by 2 by A. By A. So, that is equal to A by 2 into 1 by A. Okay? A by 2 into 1 by A. Okay? Division become multiplication. Automatically, the negative fraction become it's reciprocal. Okay? So, A gets cancelled. A gets cancelled. So, cos 60 degree is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to what? 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. Okay, next. Now cos 60 can be done. Next, tan 60 we have to do. Okay? No. Tan 60 degree is equal to what? Tan 60 degree is equal to what? Tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Equal to opposite side equal to what? AD by dB. Okay? AD by dB. Okay? AD by dB. Okay? So, tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to AD equal to what? Root 3 by 2A. Okay? Root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2A by root 3 by 2A into adjacent equal to dB. dB equal to A by 2. Okay? A by 2. Okay? So tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2A into root 3 by 2A into 2 by A. 2 by A. So A gets cancelled and 2 gets cancelled. What is remaining? Root 3. So tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. Okay? Root 3. Okay? Now this is the area of tan 60. Next, you are going to find out cot 60. Cot 60, cotangent. Okay? Cotangent. Okay? Cotangent. So cot 60. Cot 60 degree is equal to cot 60 degree is equal to cot 60 degree is equal to cos 60 degree is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Okay? Adjacent side by opposite side. Okay? Equal to what? Adjacent side equal to what? dB by AD. Okay? dB by AD. dB by AD. Okay? dB by AD. Okay? Now, equal to, now cos 60 degree is equal to, cos 60 degree is equal to, cos 60 degree is equal to what? dB. What is dB? A by 2. A by 2 by AD. AD equal to what? Root 3 by 2 A. Root 3 by 2 A. Okay? So, now what we have to reciprocate. Okay? So, cos 60 degree is equal to, cos 60 degree is equal to A by 2 into A by 2 into 2 by root 3A. Okay? 2 by root 3A. So, A get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So, what is remaining? Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3. Okay, now next what you have to find? 660. Okay? Okay, now what you have to find? You have to find 660, right? Okay? Okay, 660 degree is equal to 660 degree is equal to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay? Now equal to hypotenuse equal to what? AB by adjacent side equal to what? dB. Okay? So, adjacent 660 degree is equal to 660 degree is equal to 660 degree is equal to AB. What is AB? A by dB. A by dB. dB equal to what? A by 2. Okay? A by 2. Okay? Equal to A into 2 by A. Okay? Reciprocal. A into 2 by A. So A is cancelled. What you can get? 2. So 660 degree is equal to 2. Okay? 660 degree is equal to 2. Okay? Now, cosec 60 degrees. Okay? Cosec 60 degrees. Okay? Cosec 60 degrees equal to H by H hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay, equal to AB by AD. Okay, AB by AD. Okay, now cosec 60 degree is equal to cosec 60 degrees equal to AD equal to what? Root 3 by 2A. Okay? Root 3 by 2. Hypotenuse equal to what? A by opposite side equal to what? Root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by root 3A by 2. So that equal to A into 2 by root 3A. 2 by root 3A. So, A get cancelled. Now, cosec 60 degree equal to what? Cosec 60 degree equal to 2 by root. Okay? 2 by root 3. Okay? 2 by root 3. Okay? Now, these are the trigonometric ratios for angle 60. Okay? Now, we have to find trigonometric ratios for angle 30 degrees. Okay? You can find. Okay? Let us see. Okay? Now, for 30 degrees you have to find. Okay? Now, for angle DAB equal to angle DAB. Okay? Angle DAB equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because this is 60, total 60. In now we got angle DAB equal to 30 degrees. Okay? So for angle DAB equal to 30 degrees in triangle DAB opposite side equal to what? Opposite side equal to what? DB equal to A by 2 units. Okay? A by 2 units. Okay? Now, adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to AD. Okay? AD equal to root 3A by 2. Root 3A by 2. Or root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2 A units. Okay? Now, hypotenuse equal to AB. AB equal to what? AB equal to A units. A units. A unit. Why A unit? Because we don't know the measurement of the side AB. Okay? So for that we assume the measurement as A units. Okay? Now for angle DAB equal to 30 degrees. DAB equal to 30 degrees. DAB equal to 30 degrees. Equal 30 degrees. Find 30. Okay? Find 30 equal to what? Find 30 degrees equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay? Opposite side by hypotenuse equal to opposite side equal to what? DB. DB by AB. Okay? DB by AB. DB by AB. Okay? Equal to what? Equal to what? DB equal to what? DB. A by 2 by A. A by 2 by A. So sin 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree is equal to A by A into 2 by A. A by 2 into 1 by A. Okay? A by 2 into 1 by A. Okay? So A is cancelled. So sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Okay? Sin 30 equal to sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay? Now cos 30. Okay? Cos 30. Cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay? Equal to adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to AD by AB. Okay? Adjacent side equal to AD by opposite side equal to AB. AB. Okay? So that is equal to AD equal to what? Root 3 by 2A. Okay? Root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2 root 3A by 2 by A. Okay? So cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to root 3A by 2 into root 3A by 2. Root 3A by 2 into 1 by A. Okay, so A is cancelled. A is cancelled, so cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay? Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay? Now, next. Need to want tan 30. Okay? Tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to what? Tan theta. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? So opposite side by adjacent side. Okay? Equal to what? Opposite side equal to what? Opposite side equal to dB. dB by AD. Okay? dB by AD. dB by AD. Okay? dB by AD. Okay? Tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to what? dB equal to what? dB equal to A by 2. A by 2 by root 3A by 2. Okay? Root 3A by 2. Root 3A by 2. Okay? Equal to A by 2 into A by 2 into 2 by root 3A. Root 3A. So 2 get cancelled and A get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by root 3. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay? Now, next cos 30. Okay? Now cos 30. cos 30. Okay? Then cos 30. Cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Okay? Opposite side. Okay? Equal to adjacent side equal to what? Adjacent side equal to what? AD. Okay? AD by opposite side equal to what? DB. Okay? DB. So cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to what? AD. AD equal to what? Root 3 by 2A. Root 3 by 2 3A by 2 by A by 2. DV equal to what? A by 2. Okay? A by 2. Okay? So, cos 30 equal to root 3A by 2 root 3A by 2 into 2 by A. Okay, simple. So, A get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, equal to what? Root 3. Okay? So, 2 1 that, 2 1 that, 1 1 that, 1 Okay? So, cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to what? Root 3. Root 3. Okay? Now, sec 30. Okay, sec 30 we have to find. Okay? Remember, you only two trigonometry ratios for finding the angle 30 degrees. Okay? That is sec 30 and cosec 30. Okay? Now, sec 30 degrees is equal to sec 30 degrees is equal to sec 30 degrees is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, equal to hypotenuse equal to what? AB by adjacent side equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Adjacent side is equal to AD. Okay? AD. Okay? So, sec 30 degrees is equal to sec 30 degrees equal to sec 30 degrees equal to what? AB equal to what? AB equal to what? A by AD equal to what? Root 3 by 2A. So, root 3A by 2. Root 3A by 2 equal to A into 2 by root 3A. 2 by root 3A. Okay? So that is nothing but A is cancelled. What is my 2 by root 3? So sec 30 degree is equal to sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay? 2 by root 3. Okay? Now the final one. So cosec 30 degree is equal to cosec 30 degree is equal to cosec 30 degree is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Okay? Hypotenuse by opposition. Okay? Equal what? Hypotenuse equal to what? AB by opposite side equal to DB. Okay? DB. Okay? So cosec 30 degree is equal to AB equal to what? A by DB equal to what? A by 2. Okay? A by 2. So that equal to A into 2 by A. 2 by A. Okay? So A get cancelled. A get cancelled. So what is remaining? 2. So cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Okay? Now, this is how about trigonometric structure. Angle 30 degrees and 50 degrees. In next class, we can discuss the remaining trigonometric ratios for remaining known angles. Okay? Thank you.